All right, if you clicked on this, you already know what's going on. So we're going to be doing some ditch lights. Here's a little B-roll footage showing you what they look like in some decent fog. So these are the V-Ultra series from AUXBEAM 3-inch. And I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing here. I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything like that, but I'll definitely leave links for everything used in the description. So you got your standard instructions, a sticker, got a harness that we're going to butcher up because I'm running a switch panel, got some hardware, and the ditch lights themselves. These are super well built, in my opinion. They feel good, and they look even better. So first, let's get that hood up, get the light on. And then on the passenger side, we're going to remove that line for the windshield wiper fluid. Then we're going to be using a 12 mil on the hood, but first we need to mark where our hood sets on the brackets. After that, I take the top loose first. I'll remove that, and then I'll install the bracket. These are cheap Amazon brackets. I'll link them in the description. Put that top in first and go ahead and get it not snug, but in place. Then you'll remove the bottom and kind of slide it down and put that guy back in place. And then you'll be able to adjust your hood to your markings and tighten it back up. Once you get that done, make sure you put that line back in for the windshield wipers, and then just do the same on the other side. I'd also recommend anti-seizing all these bolts when you go to replace them. But yeah, as you see here, we'll just do the same thing. Top first, then the bottom, slide it down, adjust your hood back up to your markings, and you're done. Now for these, you have to remove all the hardware to get the bracket out because it's pretty shallow, so you won't be able to get the bolt through the bracket with them on. So you can kind of see how it's oriented here. Now for the mounting hardware, the AUXBEAM one was too long, so I had to use the bracket one, which is shorter. You can see how it locks into the bracket here. And then once you get that, you just kind of hold the nut and washers up under the bottom side and get it together. After you get done fooling with that, you can go ahead and throw your pod back in. And I left mine loose so I could rotate it and tighten those Allens up. And then once you're done, it's a 13 mil for that nut on the bottom. Go ahead and button it up and you're good. Now for the harness, I have a switch panel, so I'm just going to be using the main leads off of this harness, but you might need the whole thing depending on your setup. But for me, I just remove this, cut those leads right off of the relay, and that's all I need. Now for routing the harness around this hinge, make sure you go to the outside so it doesn't get pinched in that little channel there. But once you got that done, then we're going to take our lead that we cut off, and I'm just going to follow the main harness across the firewall over towards the driver's side where the battery is located, and that's actually where my switch panel is located as well. So I'll just kind of zip tie across neatly, or as neat as I can. Do the same thing on the driver's side. Feed those ends up through into the switch panel, and I'm just going to cut off my excess here. All right, now I'll just strip them back and connect my yellows, reds, and blacks. Yellow being DRL, red power, and black ground, of course. And then I'm not doing any ferrule connection or anything like that because I'm just slapping it together for now so you can see how it goes. Not 100% set on the placement within my switch panel, so this is just what I'm doing for now. Last thing to do is pull that sticker off. All right, now let's check them out. So we got the orange right here, not too bright, looks good in my opinion. And then we got the super crisp yellow for the fog setup, which couldn't have came at a better time because I got these awesome shots that night. So anyways, hope you guys dig it. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.